Am I audible? Okay, so can you see me? Okay, so thank you for those responses. So our discussion for today is all about past tense and past perfect tense. So let's begin with past tense. So in past tense, I want you all to remember that is subject plus verb ed or d or a regular verb. So anyone can read the example. Okay, miss. Okay, so thank you for that. And take note that we have 12 verb tenses. But for now we will only discussing the past tense and past perfect tense. So now let's go to our short activity. So I want you all to participate in our short activity because it is graded and recorded. So kindly post your answer in our chat box. So in here I want you to replace the word in parentheses into past tense. Okay, so I can see answers. Okay, so thank you for that. So for the number one, what is the answer? Okay, Miss. Okay, so she said Jose Rizal wrote. And for the number two, Mr. Okay, so that's correct. Nick Joaquin published with ed. Okay, thank you for all the responses. And for the number three, okay, Carlos P. Romulo served with d. Okay, so thank you for that. I will consider it as our oral recitation. And now let's go to past perfect tense. So in here, I want you to remember that it is subject plus had plus past participle. Okay, anyone read the example? Okay, Mr. Okay, so thank you for that. So again, I want you to take down notes because this discussion will be our quiz next meeting. Okay, now let's go to our short activity. So as you can see, it is similar to our first activity, which is the past tense, but I assure you that it is different. So again, I want you to post your answer in our chat box. Okay, I can see answers. Okay, anyone who wants to answer for the number one? Okay, Miss. Okay, she said that Jose Rizal had written. Okay, thank you for that response. And for the number two, yes, thank you. Nick Joaquin had published. And for the number three, okay, she said that had served. Carlos P. Romulo had served. Okay, so as you can see, it is subject plus had plus past participle. Now let's go to our final activity. So our final activity, it is shuffle or scramble words, and I want you to arrange it into grammatically correct sentences. So I want you to write your answers in one whole intermediate paper and pass your activity during our face-to-face classes next week. But for now, I want you to post your answer in our chat box for me to monitor who is participating. Okay, so I can already see answers. Okay, so the correct answer for the number one is yes. Okay, so she said that it is past tense, and she's right. They played soccer in the park yesterday. And for the number two, okay, she said that it is past perfect tense. Okay, and for the number three, yes, you are right. It is past tense, and for the number 4 and 5, it is past perfect tense. Okay, so your answers, you will be transferring your answers in a one whole intermediate paper, and again, pass it during our face-to-face classes next week. Okay, so before we end our discussion, I want you to remember that in past tense, it is subject plus verb ed or d plus. Okay, Okay, so thank you for that. It is subject plus verb ed or d or a regular verb. And in past perfect tense, it is subject plus had and past participle. I can see that you are already know what is past and past perfect tenses. Okay, so now goodbye for now, and don't forget your assignment next meeting. Okay, goodbye.